Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a different type of hover effect for your images. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. From the last tutorial, we're going to keep the container class. The new class that we're going to add is an image class because this hover effect still shows the image once the effect is in place. The image class will include the following code. The next class we're going to add is called middle, and this is going to style the box that's going to appear in the middle. Opacity 0 just means that the middle box won't appear before the cursor is hovering over the image. It'll be completely transparent. After that, we're going to create the classes to style the image and the middle box's opacity once the effect is in place. In case you're wondering why there are two spots for opacity for the box, the first one is for the opacity before the effect takes place, to make sure that the box isn't always there. The second one is to make the box a solid color once it appears. Next, we're going to style the text that will appear on the box. After that, we're going to go to the HTML file and add div classes there. Div class equals middle just makes the middle box appear, and this line of code just makes the text in the middle box appear. Let's see what this looks like on the browser. And there we have it. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a different type of hover effect. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial, and check out the next tutorial to learn more.